Sound test on the new tri-fuel 11,500 watt inverter and the dual fuel that I have converted to a tri-fuel. Both these generators are going to be run on natural gas. Both these generators are going to be run on eco mode and then additionally off of eco mode, and we're going to see what the noise levels are in comparison.
74. Giving it the 15-foot test. 68. This bad boy just hums. $80 up on it. $72 at the garage door. Let's try this bad boy. $83 up on it. $76 at the garage door.
I love both these generators. If you guys have any questions, I'm going to happily answer everything I possibly can in the comments. I use both these for different applications, and I'm really excited to have the power go out and have these bad boys humming overnight.